Welcome to Doubletree Ranch Circle in Elbert, Colorado. I'm Susan Cordell with Realty One Group Elevations. Join me on a private tour of this beautiful home. As you enter the home, you will immediately notice the beautiful hardwood floors and soaring ceilings in the oversized living room. This room features a ceiling fan and a wood-burning stove that can heat the entire floor for those cool Colorado evenings. Step out to the expansive deck for an afternoon barbecue, or take in the picturesque panoramic landscape surrounding the home. The eat-in kitchen features a breakfast bar, custom hickory cabinets, convenient slide-out drawers, slab granite countertops, and a center island with additional storage. You will love the built-in gas stovetop, and all the appliances are included. Schedule your next dinner party as you entertain in the formal dining room that opens to a sitting area and a covered deck to take in the sunsets and the wildlife through the trees. The huge second bedroom is currently set up as a media room or den, complete with French doors, and is separated from the third bedroom by a large, full, shared bathroom with double sinks. Both bedrooms feature walk-in closets and window blinds. On the opposite side of the main floor, you will find the sizable primary bedroom suite. The natural light floods this space and features a private deck to enjoy the outdoors and the expansive views. The ensuite 5-piece bathroom has lots of counter space, an oversized corner soaking tub, and a large walk-in closet. A conveniently located laundry room with utility sink is a must for this main floor lifestyle, and a guest bathroom completes this level. The finished walkout basement features high ceilings and fantastic spaces. Rooms include a craft room with utility sink and tile flooring, a 3/4 bathroom, a huge storage room, a large family room, and a corner office looking out to the lower patio. As you explore the outdoors, be sure to take the walking path as it meanders to the spring-fed koi pond and feed the fish as you escape to relax and observe the wildlife that fills the area. Be sure to schedule your private tour today. Welcome home.